Do you waste your life? Do you spend your days doing things that are meaningless to you? Do you miss out opportunities to grow and learn? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are not alone. Many people waste their lives without even realizing it. But it is important to remember that your time is the most precious thing you have. It is the only thing that you cannot get back. That is why it is so important to use your time wisely and to avoid wasting it. But what does it mean to waste your life? To waste your life is to live it in a way that is not meaningful or fulfilling to you. It is to spend your time doing things that you do not enjoy or that do not contribute to your personal growth and development. Some examples of how people can waste their lives: by living in a job that they hate, by worrying about the past or the future instead of living in the present moment, by not pursuing their passions or dreams. And there are many negative consequences in wasting your life. Here are a few examples. First, regret. One of the biggest regrets that people have when they are older is that they did not make the most of their time. They look back on their lives and see all of the things that they could have done differently. Second, depression. Wasting your life can lead to depression and anxiety. When you feel like you are not living a meaningful life, it can take a toll on your mental health. Third, lack of fulfillment. If you are not doing things that you enjoy or that are important to you, you are unlikely to feel fulfilled in your life. Fourth, missed opportunities. When you waste your time, you miss out on opportunities to grow, learn, and experience new things. So wasting your life can have many negative consequences. But why is it important to live a meaningful and fulfilling life? Living a meaningful and fulfilling life is important for a number of reasons. First, it gives you a sense of purpose. When you have a sense of purpose, you feel like your life has meaning and direction. This can give you a sense of motivation and drive. Second, it leads to greater happiness and well-being. Research has shown that people who live meaningful and fulfilling lives are happier and healthier than those who do not. Third, it makes you more resilient in the face of challenges. When you have a sense of purpose, you are better able to cope with stress and adversity. Fourth, it allows you to make a difference in the world. When you are living a meaningful life, you are more likely to use your time and talents to make a positive difference in the world. But in life, how can we avoid wasting your life? Some of the specific rules on how to avoid wasting your life are: Rule number 1, the importance of time. Time is the most precious resource that we have. It is the only thing that we cannot get back. That is why it is so important to use our time wisely. Every day, we have a limited amount of time. We can choose to use that time in a way that is meaningful to us, or we can waste it on things that don't matter. When we use our time wisely, we are more likely to achieve our goals and live a fulfilling life. We are also less likely to experience regret later in life. There are many stories of people who have made the most of their time, despite difficult circumstances. Here is one example. Stephen Hawking was one of the greatest physicists of all time. He was also diagnosed with ALS at the age of 21, and he was given only a few years to live. However, Hawking defied the odds and lived to be 76 years old. During that time, he made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. He also wrote several books, including the bestseller A Brief History of Time. Hawking's story is a reminder that we all have the power to make the most of our time, no matter what challenges we face. So I encourage you to cherish the time that you have and to use it to do things that are important to you. Don't waste your time on things that don't matter. Think about what is important to you in life. What do you want to achieve? Once you know what is important to you, you can start to make choices that will help you achieve your goals. Remember, time is precious. Don't waste it. Rule number 2, the importance of purpose. Having a purpose in life is important for a number of reasons. It gives us a sense of direction and meaning, it motivates us to achieve our goals, and it helps us to cope with challenges. When we have a purpose, we feel like our lives have meaning and direction. This can give us a sense of motivation and drive. It can also help us to stay focused and on track, even when things are tough. Having a purpose can also help us to cope with challenges. When we know what we are working towards, it can give us the strength to persevere in the face of adversity. A purpose in life is something that gives your life meaning and direction. It is something that you are passionate about and that you want to achieve. Your purpose can be anything that is important to you. It could be to raise a family, to make a difference in the world, or to create something beautiful. So I encourage you to find your purpose in life and to live a life that is aligned with your values. When you are living a life that is meaningful to you, you are more likely to be happy and fulfilled. To find your purpose, ask yourself the following questions. What are my values? What am I passionate about? What are my unique skills and talents? Once you have a good understanding of your values, passions, skills, and talents, you can start to think about how you can use them to make a difference in the world. Rule number 3, the importance of taking risks. Taking risks is an essential part of living a fulfilling life. When we take risks, we step outside of our comfort zone and try new things. This can lead to new experiences, new opportunities, and personal growth. Of course, not all risks will pay off. But even when we fail, we can learn from our mistakes and become a better person. Taking risks can help us to grow and learn in a number of ways. First, it forces us to step outside of our comfort zone and try new things. This can help us to develop new skills and knowledge. Second, taking risks can help us to learn from our mistakes. When we fail, we have an opportunity to reflect on what went wrong and how we can do better next time. Finally, taking risks can help us to grow as individuals. When we overcome challenges and achieve our goals, it builds our confidence and self-esteem. So I encourage you to take risks in your own lives and to step outside of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try new things and to pursue your dreams. Of course, taking risks can be scary, but it's important to remember that the rewards can be great. When we take risks, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and new opportunities. We also learn and grow as individuals. If you're not sure where to start, try taking small risks at first. For example, you could try a new hobby, meet new people, or travel to a new place. As you become more comfortable taking risks, you can start to take bigger risks. Remember, the only thing that holds you back is your own fear. Don't let fear stop you from living the life you want to live. Rule number 4, the importance of failure. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Everyone fails at some point in their lives. It's how we learn and grow. When we fail, we have an opportunity to reflect on what went wrong and how we can do better next time. We can also learn from the mistakes of others. Failure can also help us to develop resilience. When we overcome challenges and setbacks, we become stronger and more confident. Failure can help us to grow and become stronger in a number of ways. First, it forces us to confront our weaknesses and to identify areas where we need to improve. Second, failure teaches us how to deal with disappointment and rejection. When we fail, we have to learn how to pick ourselves up and keep going. Finally, failure can help us to develop a growth mindset. When we have a growth mindset, we believe that our abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. This can help us to persevere in the face of challenges and to achieve our goals. So I encourage you to not be afraid of failure and to view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Everyone fails at some point in their lives. It's how we learn and grow. When you fail, don't beat yourself up about it. Instead, reflect on what went wrong and how you can do better next time. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help from others. Failure is not the end of the world. It's just a stepping stone on the road to success. Rule number 5, the importance of gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of being thankful for what you have. It is a powerful emotion that can have a number of benefits for your mental and physical health. Here are some of the benefits of gratitude. First, reduces stress and anxiety. Gratitude can help to reduce stress and anxiety by shifting your focus from the negative to the positive. When you focus on the things that you are grateful for, it is difficult to feel stressed or anxious. Second, boosts happiness and well-being. Gratitude has been shown to boost happiness and well-being. When you are grateful for what you have, you are more likely to feel happy and satisfied with your life. Third, improves relationships. Gratitude can also improve your relationships. When you express gratitude to others, it shows that you appreciate them and that you value your relationship with them. Fourth, strengthens your immune system. Gratitude has even been shown to strengthen the immune system. When you are grateful, your body releases oxytocin, which is a hormone that has anti-inflammatory properties. So by practicing gratitude, it can help you to live a more meaningful life by shifting your focus from the material to the non-material. When you focus on the things that you are grateful for, such as your health, your relationships, and your experiences, you are more likely to feel that your life has meaning. Gratitude can also help you to appreciate the little things in life. When you take the time to appreciate the simple things, such as a beautiful sunrise or a delicious meal, you are more likely to feel happy and content. Robert Emmons is a professor of psychology at the University of California, Davis. He is a leading researcher on the topic of gratitude. Emmons has conducted a number of studies on the benefits of gratitude. In one study, he found that people who kept a gratitude journal for 10 weeks experienced a number of positive benefits, including improved mood, sleep, and physical health. So I encourage you to practice gratitude in your own lives. There are many ways to do this. One simple way is to keep a gratitude journal. At the end of each day, write down 3 things that you are grateful for. Another way to practice gratitude is to express gratitude to the people in your life. Tell them how much you appreciate them and what they mean to you. You can also practice gratitude by simply taking the time to appreciate the little things in life. Pay attention to the beauty of the world around you and savor the moments that bring you joy. So in Journey of Life, I encourage you to take the lessons from this video and apply them to your own life. But living a meaningful and fulfilling life is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but it is important to keep moving forward. Remember, you are in control of your own life. Choose to live a life that is meaningful and fulfilling to you. Thank you, and stay blessed.